Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at 6th grade lesson 11. Molly makes 3 cakes in 7 hours. How many hours does she need to make 9 cakes? So we know 3 cakes takes 7 hours. And we want to get to 9 cakes. In order to do that, we multiply 3 here. So we'll also have to multiply 3 here. So we'll get 21 hours, which is D. Number 2. The price for 5 balls is $35. The price of sneakers is $25 per pair. How much would Dominic pay for 3 balls and 2 pairs of sneakers? So we want to know how much money 1 ball costs. So 5 balls equal $35. So we just divide 5 both sides to get 1 ball and $7. And with that, we can just put 3 here because we want 3 balls. So we multiply by 3 and we'll also multiply by 3 here. So we'll get 21. And 2 pairs of sneakers is just $25 times 2 because it's just 1 pair against 2. So if we do that, we'll get $50. If we add them up in the total, we'll get $21 plus $50, which gets us $71. A. Adam traveled 4 hours at the speed of 75 miles per hour and 3 hours at the speed of 40 miles per hour. What is the average speed of his journey? So he traveled 4 hours at the speed of 75 miles per hour. So we'll multiply by 75 miles because he drove he drove for 4 hours in the speed of 75 miles per hour. And if we do that, we'll get 300.5. Actually, no, we'll get just 300. And he drove 3 hours at the speed of 40 miles. And we'll get 120 for that. So he drove a total of 7 hours. And then he drove, and in that 7 hours, he drove 420 miles. So we just have to divide 420 miles by 7 hours to get 60 miles per hour, which is B. Number 4, there are 540 people watching the basketball game. 25% of them are supporters of the guest team. How many supporters of the guest team are watching a basketball game? So 540 people, and only 25% of them are supporters of the guest team. So we'll turn that into a decimal form, which is just 0.25. And we'll multiply this by 0.25. And we'll just multiply things out. Alright, so after we've done that, we just add everything up. And we'll put a dot right here. And we get 135 supporters, which is C. So, number 5. Fill in the missing number to find the correct answer below. 8% of 350 equals... Okay, so to find this, we will turn 8% into decimal form, which is 0.08. And now we just have to multiply 350 by this number. In which we get 28 here. So we'll put that here. 28, and so this is C. There are 144 girls in the school, which is 16% of all the students. How many students are in the school? So we can use the answer key here. Oh no, the answer choices. For example, let's try and take 600 for an example. So if we have 600, we'll just have to multiply 0.16 here to get 360 and 006, which is only 96. So we'll move on to, I'm gonna guess 800. And if we do, we get, 128. That's too little. So we'll try 900. If we try 900, we'll get 144. So A is our answer. So last question. Grace bought a pair of pants on sale for $24, which is 60% off the original price. What was the original price of the pants? So we can again try the answer choices here. So we'll start with 60. If we start with 60, then we'll just multiply by 0.6 and get 630. And we just have to subtract this by that number, because this is our discount, and we get 24. And which also means that 60 is our answer, which is D. All right, thank you guys